global installer partners. Welcome to the Huawei Fusion Solar 6th Global Installer Summit. Ahead in the industry.
We've seen a lot of new things, and also we see more and more improvement of the products, new software, more possibilities for us to install, but also for the end customer, so it's only getting better.
Huawei Fusion Solar products are innovative, efficient and reliable. They combine high performance with smart technology, making them ideal for modern energy solutions.
Seeing the presentations from Huawei's management team really inspired me. So we learned a lot more about the new trend, what's up and coming technologies, what we can leverage Huawei system and software to help grow our business. So I think that's been very helpful for us to come here.